That smells incredible. Welcome back, friends and fellow meat enthusiasts. Today we're doing some baby back ribs. We're going to make our barbecue ribs as our control, a coffee rub rib, and also a buffalo flavored rib. Whenever you're going to do baby backs, first thing you got to do is flip them over and remove the membrane. Easiest way I know to do this is the paper towel method, where you get a corner started. Probably this corner. And sometimes you could grip it without a paper towel, but a paper towel just helps you grab it and keep it together. So we're gonna do that. Rib wolf. That's it. Membrane removed. Covered all three with plain yellow mustard as a binder, just so our seasoning sticks. For our barbecue rib, the rub is going to be real simple. Garlic powder, black pepper, and Kingsford No Salt all-purpose seasoning. Just going to rub that on. Here's our coffee rub. This one with the coffee rub, it smells really good. What it is it's 2 tablespoons of ground coffee beans, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of smoked paprika. It's a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground pepper, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and also 1 teaspoon of chili powder. This third one's going to be a little interesting. Ranch powder is what we're going to season with. Don't know how that's going to do on a smoker, but we'll find out. Rubbing in our ranch powder here. Oh man, it smells good. Chicken wing, buffalo baby back rib. I mean, it looks good. I can't see it being bad. Pretty excited, actually.
It looks amazing.
Yeah, I mean, all 3 of them look good.
That one looks good too.
Yeah, so I'm not, look, I love baby back ribs and barbecue sauce. It's a classic. I really am anxious to try this coffee rub. Been thinking about it a while. And this one here, that's something else. All right. We got all 3 wrapped in cellophane. We're just gonna leave them in the refrigerator overnight. Then we're gonna throw them on the smoker in the morning. We're gonna get the smoker to about 250 and get these to raise to an internal temp of about 185. Got a little rain, that's not a problem here. We're gonna crisp these up on the grill anyway. I'm thinking I'm gonna put these coffee rub ribs on the top rack and the other 2 lower. Got it nice and hot now, but I'm gonna turn it down to a medium heat and give them a little time. Barbecue ribs and our buffalo ribs. Add our barbecue sauce. Didn't let these sit on the grill long. Get right to saucing. Right to saucing so they could get nice and sticky. With the meat side up at first, so they could have a little bit longer of a cook time here. Once we flip them, they're almost done. Turn the burners down. I'm gonna shut it for a few minutes, keep an eye on it. Flip, sauce the other side, flip again. Reapply a little if needed. If it feels good, sticky sauce, they're done. Let them rest another minute. We're ready to eat. The final sauce. Got a layer good and caked on there like we were going for. Get them a little wet again, leave them on a second. sauce. Oh, it smells tangy. It's gonna be nice. A little more direct heat on the meat side, just for a minute. Look at that, sizzly perfection. A lot of good smells going on here. I'm gonna start with the barbecue. See what this is about. It's a really juicy rib. That looks good. Nice, juicy, smoked, well-seasoned, well-sauced rib. Tough to beat the basic stuff. We're gonna move on to our unsauced coffee rub rib. See how it stacks up. Coffee rub rib. The texture I could feel on the outside is perfectly crispy. See about the inside. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Very nice. This one's still pretty hot. See it on the bottom and at the end, let's see. Delicious. What the heat does to that coffee. It's a crust, hard to explain. It's almost sweet. Doesn't taste bitter like coffee at all. It's like extra charred without the harsh char taste. Very nice. I'll be using that again. That is something. Let's check out our buffalo rib. Oh yes, looks good. Be interesting. Wow. That hits the spot. It's like eating wings and ribs at the same time. Very juicy, texture perfect. Got that tangy buffalo sauce flavor. It's absolutely delicious. Wow. Yeah, I'll hit that again. In terms of favorite, this is not an easy one at all, because I like different things about all three types. Classic rib barbecue sauce, absolutely delicious. But I think because I've done it so much, you know, having it smoked and finish on the grill like that with that good barbecue sauce, it'll always be a classic, but I think I'm just kind of bored of the normal stuff. That's why I'm branching out. The coffee rub I had never had. I know a lot of people do this, and I get why. Super enjoyable. Texture? Coffee rib wins, but this unique buffalo taste on a rib cooked that way, worth it. Try it. Definitely try it. If I have to pick a winner, I'm honestly, it's tough. I think maybe the coffee rib. I think the coffee rib here is legitimately my favorite. Definitely doing it again. Definitely doing all of them again, of course, but yeah, do the coffee rub rib for sure. Well guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Subscribe if you haven't already. I want to give a quick shout out to Edmund Plays LOL and Lamar Chop. Thanks a lot for watching.